Okay, everything's going good for me today. I just drove over. I felt the Sumos in the back compress. They did their job. They felt good. Now that I know where it is, I want to go back, shoot video of it so both of us, can see what it looks like. All right, so that's the part of Chicken Corner Safari route along the base of that mountain down to where this is coming here that we just did. So I'm going to see this footage one time before you because I'm going to be editing. Here's what I'm looking for. Here's what I'm hoping for. I'm expecting it. I want to see compression. This road is rough. It's twisty. It's turny. I want to see compression with a 3-inch lift. 88 degrees. Loving it. Okay, before I even look at the GoPro footage of what's happening underneath here, I can tell you, because I know this road well enough and the way I've been handling, that these are absorbing the really big hits, hard hits. It's hard to describe it. It's almost like if you were punching with big old mitts instead of regular boxing gloves. If that describes how it softens the blow. That's what I think. Okay, here we go. Ooh, right there, that was a full compression. That's a big compression. This is the slowed down to 25% of speed POV video. Here we are watching the driver's side. Get ready for it. There's a big one coming up. Right there, that's a full compression. That's dropping down. Boom, almost. Compression. 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 It's just what I wanted to see, right? Alright, this is so much not me. At least not the old me. But I seem to be flying, kind of doing a Baja mode. And I mean driving faster than I normally do. And the ride's actually kind of comfortable. I'm gonna hit this kind of good. Boom. So is it the SumoSprings that are cushioning my ride? Or is it my confidence in driving this road in this FJ? Or combination of them all? I was going so fast. Baja mode. I just went past my exit to my camp. There they are right there. I saw that sign, but it didn't have a sign on the other side. Okay, got a little articulations left and right, left and right, left and right. Let's put the camera on the front right Sumo. Okay, this might be the last POV of the front Sumos. It's a little rocky, bouncy. There's nothing bad about this with a lift and 33s. There's no obstacles. It's just a matter of which way is more comfortable. I'm gonna take the roughest route that I can pick. And it's gonna start out at this little ledge drop off right there. Okay, time for my review, right? I've had the SumoSprings front and rear on my 11 FJ Cruiser, 3-inch lift, 285 tires for a good bit now. I've done a lot of highway riding and I've done a lot of off-road. Here's what I can say. I can almost tell you from the get-go, I could feel the fronts coming into play and cushioning. We'll come back to that cushioning part. At home in Northern Park City, on the streets, on the highways. I can feel that. It's more like it was slowing down or cushioning the body roll. The FJ felt a little more planted. The rears came into play on hard bumps off-road. I don't think they're going to do much for you in town during the week. I did notice, and it's not a good thing really, that they cushion out the ride off-road to where you can go faster. So on Chicken Corners, no one passed me, no one came up to my rear end. I came up to a bunch of people's rear ends wanting to pass, finally passed, because I was going faster. I felt comfortable. It was smoother. It wasn't so jarring. But I don't need to be going that fast. But they did give me that confidence to do it. So I like them. It makes the ride a lot better. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. Got any questions? I always answer questions. That's it, man. See ya. Oh yeah, links are down in the description if you want to get a pair of these for the front or for the back or for both. All right, man. That's it. That's all I got. I'm out of here. Don't forget to tip your waitresses and bartenders.